support operations from short, unprepared forward landing strips. 2 prototypes were considered. The YC-14 prototype maximizes its lift capability by mounting 2 engines above and forward of the wing's leading edges. This forces engine exhaust over the upper surface to improve the wing's lift characteristics. This design also reduces the aircraft's infrared image to ground-based detectors. Additionally, the high engine position lessens the chance of foreign object damage during operations on unimproved surfaces. Another prototype, the 4-engine YC-15, is more conventional in design, relying on large flaps through which engine exhaust is blown for increased lift. A special flight control augmentation system improves handling at cruise speeds and aids low-speed approach and landing performance. The YC-15 has a landing gear system designed to distribute aircraft weight over a relatively large area. This improves performance on both normal and unimproved landing surfaces. Both designs include an improved rear loading ramp, a high T-tail for stability, and a wider fuselage for increased cargo capacity. Both designs must be capable of airlifting over 25 tons of cargo from conventional runways and at least 19 tons from 2,000-foot dirt strips. Additional design goals require a 400-mile radius of action with a ferry range of 2,600 miles. Both prototypes cruise at speeds just under 500 miles per hour, yet can successfully maneuver at approach speeds as low as 95 miles per hour.